Hello beautiful ladies, I hope you have a great day so far. Friends, in today's video I am going to share with you my honest opinion about Laneige products, and I give you the information that which one is work for me or which one not. So let's see which one is worth the hype or which is just a waste of money. So friends, first of all, I have these four. I have total five things which I want to share with you. So these are very hyped in everywhere, and people like these products. So many good review about these products on internet. So I bought a Laneige Icon to Go set with minis. So in this set I have the Laneige water bank. It is a hyaluronic acid, and friends, I this one is fully empty. You can see I use it, hold the product, and I want to share with you about this, that it is not good for me. I don't say it's a good moisturizer. You can use, you can buy another so many moisturizer which are in drugstore that has hyaluronic acid. So I don't see any difference with this one. And friends, I don't know what uh, when I got this sample with the Sephora purchase, it says pick your right moisturizer level: water bank blue hyaluronic gel moisturizer, water bank blue hyaluronic cream moisturizer, or water bank blue hyaluronic intensive moisturizer. So I have the water bank blue hyaluronic. So maybe it's not suit my skin, so that's why I don't like. But I uh, put it on the fifth spot of my opinion, this Laneige water bank. On number fourth place, I put this Laneige water sleeping mask. Friends, I use it fully, you can see, and I nothing, don't see any difference in my skin. I use it every day, and I don't know what is wrong with me, but I don't see any difference in this Laneige water sleeping mask. So this is number fourth place, and here I show you the clip of the consistency of this product, how this how's the texture of this product, and how's it look like, and it's a mild smell. So that's that. On number third place, this Laneige cream skin. This is a toner and moisturizer. I use it, you can see, this much, but again it's not for my skin. So I use it fully, but I give you my honest opinion. So that's not work for me. On number second, this one, it's a Laneige lip sleeping mask. This one is amazing product, friends. I like it, you can see, I use it and I love it. It's very good product, I want to say, because it smooths your lips. If your lips like cracks on your lips, very dry your lips, it's a very good and amazing products, friends. And it work on first, when you use first time you can love it, and smell like candy. I love this product. So this is Laneige lip sleeping mask. It comes in so many flavors. So you can buy it in mini, or when you like it, you can buy the bigger one if you want. On number first spot, this Laneige bouncy and firm sleeping mask. Friends, this I don't know what they put in this, and I use this when I use this first time. I love this, and then I bought this bigger one. It says it's a bouncy and firm sleeping mask. It plump, hydrate, and glow. And friends, it definitely do its job. So that's that, and I definitely recommend this one if you have fine lines, and your skin feel dull and not looking good. You can use it. It's worth the price, friends. So that's that. So these are the top 5 products I say which are very hyped in social media or internet, but my favorite are these two out of the fives. I hope you like the video, friends. If you like, don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching, friends.